Now that you have a section placed, let's start taking a look at adding some elements that are going to be essential to your web design, and starting with one of the most popular components in the Vev library, the image element. There are a few different ways you can add an image element to your canvas. The first way is to select the image icon from the top bar navigation, or by using the keyboard shortcut I. Once selected, you can then click and drag the element onto the canvas to specify the size that you want. After adding the element onto the canvas, the content panel will switch to the image tab, prompting you to select an image for this new element. From this menu, you can upload images from your computer, select from the project's existing library of images, or search within the royalty-free image galleries, Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay. Another way you can add image elements is by clicking and dragging an image directly from the image library onto the canvas. You can also add multiple images at once by selecting the tick box on each of your desired images. Once you have your selection, simply click and drag them onto the canvas. At any time, if you want to change an image, simply double-click the image element on the canvas, or alternatively, right-click and select Edit Content. This will open the image tab within the content panel again, to allow you to change your selection. Managing your project's image library is an important part of streamlining your design process. The image tab is split into two areas. The first area is the image library, and this is an overview of all images that have been uploaded to the project. Images that are actively being used in this project will show an in use tag. The second area is the stock image library. This allows you to browse for royalty-free images from Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay. You can filter the results of what's being displayed within this panel by using the search function at the top of this panel. When adding an image from a stock library to your canvas, it will automatically upload to the image library area. To remove images from the image library, hover over an image card and select the checkbox. Then select the red bin icon to remove it from the library. You can also easily bulk delete several images by ticking multiple image cards before pressing the delete button. The broom icon here is a helpful tool that removes all unused assets from your image library. So only images that are actively being used on the project's canvas will remain. You can view and change the information for an image by selecting the eye tooltip shown when hovering on the relevant image card. From here, you'll see the options for both name and description. The name is purely for use within the editor to allow you to manage your assets better, giving you a visual identifier to an image, as well as allowing it to be easier to find from the search function within the image library panel. The description is where you can assign the alt text for an image for accessibility. Accessibility is an important part of web design to ensure that your project is also compliant to accessibility standards and allows your design to be accessible to a wider audience. Now you know your way around the image library, let's review some of the styling options relevant to the image element. Like all elements and sections, there are also a variety of different styling options to play with, such as border, border radius, effects, and more. To crop an image and change the focus point, you will need to use the Object Fit option within the Style panel on the right-hand side. We can see these contextual styling properties when the element is selected. From this menu, you'll be able to crop your image and select a focus point. You can also select the fit behavior, such as cover, contain, or stretch, as well as flip the image horizontally or vertically. As this is an option within the Style panel, you can also adjust this per breakpoint if required.